welcome back. So we had mostly sunny skies, made our way through the day today. Temperatures a little warmer, but nowhere near where we should be this time of year as we've made it into the lower 40s. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. Just a few clouds in the morning before we had the sunny to mostly sunny skies throughout the day. And we've kept mostly clear to partly cloudy skies during the evening. Here's your high temperatures. There's your 42 in North Platte, into the upper 30s at Valentine and Thedford, also at Broken Bow. But we're into the low to mid 40s out toward Ogallala and Imperial. That's where the warm spot is. Current temperatures look like this. Closer to 30 at North Platte and Lexington, upper 20s at Broken Bow, Thedford, Hyannis, and Valentine, low to mid 30s right now at Ogallala and at Imperial. Here's a look at the winds, mainly from a southerly or southeasterly direction. Wind speeds right now between 10 and 15 miles per hour. Some gusts are closer to 20, so it's pumping in slightly warmer, slightly humid air with that easterly flow. So we have some cloud cover, some just off to the south of Curtis going through Lexington, another band of some clouds out toward Hyannis, Mullen, south of Valentine, but most everybody else has mainly clear skies across the region. So we have this cool high pressure system. It was approaching as we made our way through the end of the weekend and giving us cooler than average air. The cool air now has moved into the Midwest, eventually the Northeast, where they do have a major snowstorm up in that direction. But as this high moves off to our east, we have more of a southerly flow, and that will cause us to warm up pretty nicely over the next couple of days. Lots of sunshine from the high pressure system. We're going to make it into the 60s for your Tuesday and for your Wednesday, and by then we're tracking another low that will move just off to our north. That will produce some rain and then eventually some snow across the region as we progress Wednesday night through the day on Thursday, followed by much cooler air behind it, but drying out as is typical for the weekend. Here's a look at the skycast. Now, we're into the upper 20s to near 30 as we make our way through the evening and overnight. Temperature's not really plummeting, even though we do have the clear skies. We have a stronger southerly wind, so that will keep temperatures into the upper 20s for lows. And then with the sunshine and that strong southerly wind, temperatures for tomorrow by the afternoon into the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Going through the overnight into Wednesday morning, lows starting off in the low to mid 30s, with high temperatures making the low to mid 60s, but mostly sunny skies turning partly cloudy as we make our way through the evening and overnight. We're already seeing that system into the Panhandle giving some rain showers, but we're staying near 50 even through the 10 p.m. hour on Wednesday. Let's take a closer look at this storm, and it looks like the storm track is going to go just off to our north across South Dakota, so it's going to pick up some moisture, deposit it back on the cool side. It initially starts with some rain showers in the early overnight, and as this low strengthens as it makes its way into eastern South Dakota, this is the best chance we have of a northerly wind, which would be the best shot of us having a couple of hours of some heavy snow before it does exit pretty quickly. Should be mainly gone by the afternoon on Thursday, so we'll put the snow likely for Thursday morning. After that, this system moves into the Midwest, becomes a major rain snowmaker, and we have a lot of cool air filtering in for the rest of the week. Snow impact from this, still looking at minimal for one of our two models, with light amounts from Grand Island and points off to the north and east. The North America model has some light impacts as you make your way off to the east of North Platte, but minimal impacts from North Platte and points off to the west. We will see how strong this storm does get as we go through the next couple of days. So low to mid 60s, mostly sunny to partly cloudy for your Tuesday and Wednesday. Morning highs of 32 on Thursday, falling through the day. Windy and snow is likely in the morning. And then for Friday, mostly sunny skies. It'll be breezy with a high of 36, low 30s on Saturday, and upper 30s for the day on Sunday. A cool weekend ahead, but dry, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, and 43 with mostly cloudy skies for Monday. Kent?
First time we've seen back-to-back days in the 60s for a while.
You know, it should feel good. We should be having that this time of year. It is getting into March.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. Well, it's the difference between life and death for some. Many people with diabetes need insulin, but in America, the cost of it can be a major burden. But there is new relief for those grappling with high prices. Recently, a major pharmaceutical company, Eli Lilly, started capping out